Now that I'm on the topic of flange sizing and flange inserts, it's important that I mention that you can actually use a tape measure or a regular ruler such as this on top of the flange sizing card to estimate your flange size. Remember, it's to estimate. The best way to know your actual flange size is using a flange sizing ruler or a flange sizing card, whichever you want to call it. A tape measure or a ruler will help you estimate. It may be off by a millimeter or two, which is a big measurement when it comes to your flange size. So the best way for you to know your actual flange size is using a flange sizing ruler. We can do this practically using this breast model that I made. I told you you'll see more of it. So the first step is definitely to stimulate your nipple. You want to measure that. So using this, that's about 10 millimeters or 1 centimeter and 4 millimeters, about that. So 14 millimeters. You can also do that using the card, the top part of this. So yeah, about 14 millimeters using the ruler. So let's see if this is actually 14 millimeters using the card itself. So 14 millimeters is here. It's quite too tight for this or too small. So I'd measured this in a previous video and it was at 15 millimeters, which fits like really well. This, see, compared to the 14 millimeters, this doesn't go through well. So the actual size is 15 millimeters. That's why I'm saying that with a tape measure or with a ruler, the measurement may be off by a millimeter or two. So it's best that you use a measuring card so that you can know your actual nipple diameter, then you can know what size of flange inserts to get.